Alright, my girl's holding the camera. Just doing our normal drive. I look like such an amateur trying to use the paddles. Ooh, the pops them sound good, you know? Just what I like, the look of pops. Come on now.
I think it's so fast, it's made me feel a bit travel sick.
That bird like is gonna fly into the car. Look how you're filming, man. You're just holding it. You're meant to focus on filming. And he goes over bumps without running about no splitter. Definitely need it louder, 100%. It's definitely loud enough for me. Flip your neck. Yo, I might just short shifted. Oh, your face is in it. And it just looks weird. Yo! This thing is quick! Jeez! My girl can't even hold the camera straight.
It's hard.
Oh shit! I sound like a girl! Man, did you hear that? I sound like a girl. Man's voice went high pitched and everything. Man said, I'm like, oh shit! Yo. Yo, I feel invincible right now. I feel like I can smoke anyone. Oh my god, this car's looking fast. Mate, way quicker than the Corsa. No, I don't know if you lot are clocking how fast this car is, man. Has this one got a remap or something? Like, this one's moving nuts. Keep tuned, yeah? Subscribe, man. Get me to 1,000 subscribers so I can start getting sponsorships and paid. And you see more lit content. But nah, this is lit. This is lit. This lit, man. And what I might do is I might do like a POV view. If you lot want to see a POV view, tell me, innit? You lot probably can't hear the car from there though. But it has little crackles and little pops. This thing is quick, man. It's quick. And people say these, I think it's X-Drive or DSG, whatever. Correct me about that. They say they're not fun. I'd rather this than a manual car. I used to be all manual, but once I jumped in this, it feels like I'm playing a video game with the paddle shifters, and I love it. I think this car's got launch control yet, but I'm not going to launch it yet. Why is this person blocking me? I'm trying to see where to go. Flipping, how that goes off quick, doesn't it? Sports. Sports Plus. And I love this switchable mode. Show them. So mine can go from sports now into Eco Pro. Look at it, Eco Pro, and the car's calm. Save some petrol. I probably used Burr already. Yeah, I used a bit. I used a bit. Did you turn up the heating?
No, I'm trying to turn it down.
Just press off on here.
Oh,
Crap.
Do it again.
Oh yeah, that's for the fan. The whole time when I was trying to turn up the fan, I don't even know how to use the car yet, guys. Oi, show them this, like this view, be driving like this. You know, like with the steering wheel and stuff. If you guys like that view. So we're just cruising right now in Eco Pro. I'm about to go pick up my friend Lucas. About to see his reaction on the car. Trust me, he's gonna shit his flipping pants.
Yeah, he's gonna be scared.
He's gonna shit.
He's probably gonna get it thinking, oh, it's be alright.
Yeah, but do you know what? Yeah, I don't know how it put it on me. I don't know how it's gonna feel with 3 people in the car. I had her mum in it just a minute ago, and it felt like the same. It didn't feel like in a VXR, 1 person means like 50 less horsepower, I swear. But I'll be back once I've picked up my meat anyways.